Would you like to meet Tom family? I'm a senior Tom, a junior Tom, and a tiny Tom. Yes, bro. How are you?
Yes, bro, what's happening? Hey, what have you done to your face?
It's like this. I can't help it.
Oh yeah.
It- I got my junior Tom.
Hello?
Oh, is his
Stop,
face
mate.
like that as well?
Is his face meant to be like that?
Yeah.
And I got tiny Tom.
Can I do something there quick? Hey, what's he doing? Is he alright?
Yeah. We all are Tom family without the hat. We don't have the hat.
What?
We are the
You don't-
Tom. We are the Tom without the hat.
uh, I'm not
And
gonna
we
lie
are
to your boss,
looking
man.
for Jerry.
Not gonna lie to your boss, man. Don't have a clue what you're saying.
I'm looking for Jerry.
What is, lad? Do you like? I don't know how to take it off. Are you're having fun?
It's just
Have,
you're having fun. I'm having fun.
you're not having fun?
If you're having fun, we are having fun.
I always have fun, boss, man.
So, what brings you on TikTok?
Ladies.
Oh,
I
naughty
listen,
boy.
Yeah.
Naughty boy.
Yeah, you're moving booky, you lad.
I'm already married. There are 2 boys.
What, you're married to 2
I'm
boys?
happy. Yeah, 2 boys. Yeah.
Are you got? Hey, take that off your face, lad.
I am 40 years old.
You're 40 years old. Why are you on TikTok?
Why? Is there any problem?
Yeah. There's about 13 years on there.
What
Again,
kind of a problem?
Yeah, there's a problem.
What do you have what I don't have?
Bitches.
Yeah, ladies.
Oh, ladies. Is that real ladies you're talking about?
Why are your kids laughing at you like you're funny?
No, my kids, they always laugh. Is that a problem? I am 40 and still strong.
You're strong.
Very, very strong. Very
strong. Where'd you live?
Yeah. 5 women. See as well. Oh my god. Oh,
I did it from FX. That was so funny.
did he run off?
So scary.
Very, very scary.
I really have.
People are scared. My nose and this teeth as well. Is it shiny teeth? Little gray, brown, Yankee color. What about your teeth?
I got boogers on my teeth.
You got boogers.
Yes, that's true.
So your name is a booger boy.
Yes.
Boogie boy.
I'm booger super bad. Me. There's a whole building in my teeth. There's a whole